So today we will discuss about the simple microscope or magnifying, which is also known as magnifying glass, right? Basically, the simple microscope is a optical instrument. It is an optical instrument and it uses basically a convex lens. It basically shows us the images that we can't see from our naked eye, and it magnifies it, and the image is formed in our retina, and we are easily able to see the images before the least distance, right? So basically we hold near the eye. We hold this simple microscope near the eye. Hold near the eye. So what is the basic principle of this microscope? That we know that the lens distance is 25 centimeter, but we will see image before the 25 centimeter, which is the least distance, right? And the image that will be formed from the simple microscope is basically virtual, erect, and magnified, right? The image that will form will be virtual, erect, and magnified. Moreover, the visual angle will be increased. The visual angle will be increased over here. For let's take example. This is a human eye, right? This is the human eye, and consider that here we have placed a lens, right? And consider the first image was over here, right? So the angle which will be formed by the here image is the object OP. OP is the object, and the image is formed like this is the object, right? And the distance from here to here is basically the 25 centimeter, which is basically D. Now when we will use this convex lens, the object will come here, and the visual angle will obviously be increased, right? So here these both lines will be meet. So here you can see the image will be virtual, it is erect, and magnified, right? So let us discuss the formula of the magnification of a simple microscope. We know that the magnification is equal to Q upon P, right? Q is basically the image distance and P is the object distance. And here you can see the Q is in the diagram. Q was equal to D, right? Q was equal to the least distance. So we can replace this. So M is basically equal to D upon P. But you know the image is virtual. So we will put Q is equal to minus D. We'll put this, right? M is equal to minus dP. Okay, we know the formula of the thin lens formula is basically 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q, right? Let's replace this. Basically 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P minus 1 upon D, right? Minus 1 upon D. Now let's multiply D by both sides. Now it will be equal to D upon F is equal to 1 upon P, and so it will be D upon P and minus D upon D. Now they will get cancelled, and it will be like D upon F is equal to D upon P minus 1. So now minus 1 will go that side, and it will become D upon P is equal to D upon F plus 1. We know that D upon P is equal to the magnification. So now magnification is basically equal to 1 plus D upon F. This is basically the formula for the magnification of simple microscope, right? So now you can write this as like this: 1 plus magnification plus 1 plus 25 centimeter upon f. This can be the formula of magnification as well. So basically here the magnification depends upon focal length. Like the magnification is inversely proportional to the focus length. As focal length will increase, the magnification will decrease, and if focal length will decrease, the magnification will increase, right? So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. We're very glad to answer you guys.